Okay, this is from the Chapter 3 test review. We're going to be doing number 19. Number 19 says it costs $102.50 to repair the CD player in your stereo system. If you pay $15 for new parts and $25 per hour for labor, write and solve an equation to determine how much time the repair took. So remember, you have three parts of an equation. The three parts are the initial, the rate, and the total. So here's the initial, the rate, and the total. So the initial is, we have three numbers. Let's figure out which one the initial is. You have $102.50 for just the repair to the CD altogether. If you pay $15 for new parts and then $25 per hour. So the initial cost is just the $15 just for parts. So we have $15 for parts, and then we have $25 per hour. So since that is per hour, that means it's going to change every hour, and when it changes, that's going to be a rate. So we have $25, that's our rate, but we don't know how much our quantity is for hours. So that means we have X, which is our quantity, but in this case we'll use H because that is for hours. The total amount is how much it's going to cost at the end. So that was $102.50, so we'll go 102.5 since that's all the room I have. So that's the first part. That's your equation, and what we have to do now is solve it out. So when we solve it, we have to think, what number do we get rid of first if we want the H alone? So we have the 15 and the 25. Since the 25 is by the H, this is the lettered number, this is the non-lettered number. We always get rid of the non-lettered number first. So by doing that, we'll subtract 15 off on both sides. So when we do that, we come up with a new equation. 25H equals 102.5 minus 15 is going to be about, let's see, borrow the 10, drop down the 2, or the 1 by the 2. So you have 9 minus 1 is 8, and 12 minus 5 is 7, and the 50 cents drops down. So it's 87.50. Now we have to get rid of the 25, so we ask ourselves, what does the 25 do to the H? The 25 is multiplying. To get rid of multiplication, we divide both sides. So now we can use a calculator, or if you're really good with doing that, you get 87.5 divided by 25 is equal to 3.5. So H equals 3.5. So we have to remember, what does that mean? 3.5 what? So we look back, and it's talking about hours of labor. So that means we write down hours. 3.5 hours of work.